So this is Crimaz new 132cc water-cooled cylinder engine built on Quattrini Pro cases. So the Pro cases already have this reed valve. He's made his own inlet manifold, and what he's done is he's created a new gearbox where neutral is at the end and the 1, 2, 3, 4 gears are sequential following that. Because it's water cooled, he's changed from having radiators behind the leg shields. He's now got the radiator in a scoop underneath. And the most interesting thing is this new rising rate linkage system using a pit bike shock from stage 6. His frame's already got these forecast mountings. This long lever arm clamps around the casing so that you can use the linkage here to operate. There's a octagon on the Quattrini case, and this part clamps around it, and it gives you all these different options for where to connect the linkages. And then these two CNC parts. And this part with the bearing operates there. It creates a rising rate linkage, which means that the shock works more smoothly over small bumps, and then it stiffens over big bumps.